Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. Jeez, it's kind of weird being on camera. Typically, I don't like being on camera. I mean, you can ask my family, but I'm going to get past it at least for this one video. This is the giveaway video. I know I told you all that I was going to get this out last week. I'm sorry, I got busy and sidetracked and never ended up doing it. So I'm doing it this week early on, so let's get to it, the giveaway. So as far as stipulations, there's only going to be one winner, U.S. residents only. So if you are outside the U.S., I am sorry. Maybe later on I'll do another giveaway and that stipulation won't be there. But for now, it's U.S. residents only. And last, I do ask that the winner be a subscriber, because obviously I'm doing this for reaching 2,000 subscribers, and I wouldn't be here without you all. So it'd be kind of cruddy if the winner wasn't a subscriber, right? So I do ask that. As far as what I'm giving away, I decided to do a coaster set of 4 or an 8x8 canvas. The winner gets to choose. So, I do have some options in terms of, I still have some of the coasters and 8x8s that I've done in videos that you can choose from. Because you know how we are. We do this and we set it aside for a while. But let's go on past that. So what if the coasters or the 8x8s that I do have for you to choose from, it don't typically fit? I want you to be happy with what you get. So with that being said, I will get with the winner. We can choose some colors and I'll do a customized set. Now don't kill me with colors though. No, just kidding. But just keep in mind that if it is a customized set, I can't mail it to you tomorrow or anything like that right after you win, right? So I have to find time to do it. It has to have time to dry. And then if it's a coaster set, the epoxy needs to cure. So yeah, just that little information just for you to keep in mind. I just really want you to be happy with what you get. Because, I like blue and everything. Because at least that's what I'm told. And so I will at least give you that option. Past that, how do you enter? I just need you to comment on this video. I don't know what I'm in, or it doesn't really matter as long as you leave a comment. I don't need any duplicate comments. I will delete those out. I'm gonna leave the comments enabled until I wake up on July 12th. Now, don't hold off. I mean, because I wake up probably around 6 a.m. my time. So just get it in. Good luck to everybody. I want to say thank you all again. And good luck, honestly. Anyway, see y'all later. Thanks for watching.